glass and open it up.
What is it?
Sit right here, buddy.
Sit. That's fine. You're good. Wherever you want.
You gotta look at.
Oh, turn towards me though, so I can get it on camera. Do you wanna sit down next to him so you can turn it on?
It's a dinosaur. It is. You sure? Oh wow. Let's see what he does.
Move the paper out of the way. Don't be scared. Go sit down there with Daddy.
He wants to bite me.
Where are you going?
I didn't let him to look towards me.
Aren't you gonna go see him?
Cool music.
Oh, come see him, Ethan. Watch, I'm gonna growl at him.
Techno. Watch this. Growl at him. Roar! He growls back.
Whoa!
Come over here and growl at him. He'll growl back at you. You gotta come over here and get close to him and do it. Come on.
Stella's scared too.
Hey, why did you turn it off then instead of...
Well, come over here and push his back.
Come over here and push his back and we'll turn it off. Come over here and push his back and we'll turn it off, alright?